Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So if you are facing slow keyboard response issue on your Windows laptop or desktop, in this video we are going to fix this. So the first method you can try is adjust keyboard repeat rate. For this, click on this search box and type control and you will get this result control panel. Click on it. Now go to this view by section and select small icons. After that, search for keyboard option. So this is the option we need, keyboard. Click on it. You will get this kind of window. Now in this option repeat rate, you have to increase this bar to fast. Okay, so you have to increase this bar and after that click on apply, then click on OK. Now check. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method. Turn off filter keys. So for this you have to first open settings. After that, on the left side click on accessibility. Now on the right side scroll down, then click on this keyboard option and now you have to turn off this option filter keys. Now cut this window. That's it. Now move on to the next method. If you are still getting the same issue, update your keyboard driver. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. So these are the drivers I have. Now you have to select your keyboard driver, then right click on it, then click on update driver. After that click on this second option, browse my computer, then click on let me pick from. Now select your keyboard driver, the latest keyboard driver you have, and after that click on next. So this will reinstall your keyboard driver. Click on close, then click on restart. If you are still getting the same issue, the next step you can try is again open this device manager. After that right click on your keyboard driver, then click on uninstall device, click on uninstall, and after that immediately restart your system. So click on yes to restart your system. The final method you can try is update your operating system. So click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. After that on the left side click on Windows update. On the right side click on this advanced option, then click on optional updates. Now here you will see this option driver updates. Click on it and this is the driver is available to update. So I will take this option. This is my keyboard driver. Click on download and install. So this will update my keyboard driver as well, and you can also update your operating system from here as well. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.